Hello and welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are going to be talking about copywriting, but not boringly. We're going to talk about the new feature that Facebook has just brought into its platform, which helps us copyright our ads, which is amazing. So I'm assuming here you've all been using ChatGPT. Come on, you have. You haven't been reading copywriting books and then putting it to action, have you? In ChatGPT, we're going in there and we're asking it to write our copy for us. Nice and simple. Facebook now does the same. So a little exercise I need you to do first. Unless you've already got some copy, I'm going to assume none of you have written any copy before, and I know you all have, but let's imagine you haven't. So you're going to go into ChatGPT. Now, there are a couple of prompts that I want to teach you to do. When you're writing to ChatGPT and you're asking it to write some copy for you, you're obviously going to describe your product, you're going to give it some examples. Brilliant. There are two frameworks that I want you to use when writing into ChatGPT. I want you to ask the system to write your copy in two ways. One is called PASS, which is problem, agitate, solution. So if you just write, hey ChatGPT, can you please write some sales copy in this particular framework? And the other one is called AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, and action. So I want you to ask it to write in either of those, or ask it to write in both, and then you can see which one you prefer, which one sits better. But obviously you need to go in there and ask it to change things and then copy it out and then maybe change it. Never just take it as it is first time round and use it, because it will definitely have some things wrong with it. It's still a computer, it's still learning, it's far more intelligent than we are, but I want you to have a human element of what's going on. So how is this affecting Meta? Let's jump into Ads Manager. So when in Ads Manager, I literally, as always, let's click the green button, start a new campaign. We are then going to go into our sales objective and we're going to continue. Now I want you to select the manual sales campaign setup. Okay, we're going to skip all the other areas. We're going to go straight through to the new ads page. Okay, and we're going to scroll down to where we see our copy. Now I'm going to now see in front of me primary text box. Now this is the most important one, because this text suggestion doesn't really work in the headline so much now. It's more in the primary text box. I'm sure it'll be something that's coming. It's probably a test phase, and it might be that you don't even see this facility in your own Ads Manager. I hope you do. But anyway, we've taken our ChatGPT chat, we've tidied it all up, and we're now going to copy and paste it into our primary text field here. So you can see that I've put it into my primary text field. Now, if you want to see this yourself and you listen to the podcast, then please click on the description of this podcast and it will take you straight through to this video so you can watch how I'm doing this so it all makes sense. Carry on listening. So in here now we have our suggested text variations. Now this is automatically popped up. So you can see here that it's giving us 3 variations. So all I need to do is have a read of these. If I like them, I can just add them. Remember, we can add up to 5 different variations. So I've added another one there. Now, what you could do, I want to show you another area here, which is where we can actually have more text suggestions. So we have our text variations here, which again is the same as we've just seen. We've just copied one of those out. But if we click it here, we have text used previously. So in here, it has a load of the text that we've already used. So we don't have to go into other ads. We don't have to go into our copy sheet of all the different types of text that we've done. We've got it all with us. So we can literally add one of these in. Copy, goes into my clipboard. I can then add another add text variation there and it's put it in. Now, again, it's coming up with generating text variations. Now we have more text in here now. We've already got 3 pieces of primary text. So now our text variations went down to 2. It's now brought another one out. So have a read through, have a look at the different text variations, add another one. Clicks in, straight in there, adds another text box. So you can see now, as we're entering these different texts, we've got 3 boxes here. It's actually brought up more. So the thing is, what we want to do is go through that, because you can see that it's actually bringing through some hashtags. Now we don't want hashtags in our paid ads. They don't help us in paid advertising, so we want to take those out. It's not like organic, where if we put hashtags in, it's going to find better placements and things like that. It doesn't work the same way, okay? So let's just make all this look tidy, and we've essentially now created 4 bits of copy. We've gone in there with 1 piece of copy, we've inserted it, and we've now got another 3 pieces of primary text in our advert, which gives Facebook so much more to go on to deliver your ad to different people based on what they're looking for. The algorithm, it understands what people are looking for. So it's always better to have multiple variations of your text. Now, from a headline point of view, it doesn't quite work the same. So like that, text variations, when I click this, it comes up with previously used, which isn't the same as a primary text, but I can put these previously used ones in there. Actually, they're all copying. So that's one thing that you're going to get your head around. When you click on the text variation, that automatically pops up. You can just click on the little pluses, but the other ones, when you click on the text variation that's a drop down, it actually is copy and paste exercises. Just make sure that you're aware of that. But there you go. Very simply, from one piece of text, we've now created multiple pieces of text to go into our Facebook ad. That is the new setup from Facebook. I absolutely love it. It's going to help us with all of our copywriting and get us more sales and leads. I hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next one.